Hello, my twins. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your 11/11 portal reading, which is today 11th November 2021, and in this video, in this reading, I am going to deliver all the energies and the messages which this portal is bringing for all the twin flames who are in the twin flame journey. So what this portal is bringing for the twin flames, and what are the energies which are coming for the twin flames. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the collective twin flame reading for the 11/11 portal, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. Okay. Another thing I want to tell you is that I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So this is the reading for all the twin flames. Okay, either you are divine masculine or you are divine feminine watching this video. So let's start your reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for all the twin flames for the 11/11 portal reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for 11/11 portal for all the twin flames. Let's see what are the messages for the twin flames. What are the messages for the twin flames? Please give me the messages. Okay, let me see more messages for the twin flames. Any other message you want me to deliver for the twin flames? Okay, so the first message I received for you is that you can spend some time with nature, take a walk here. Okay, and you have to ground your energy, ground yourself, because can you see lot of energy are getting downloaded, received through the crown chakra here in this portal, because this portal is getting, in this portal your crown chakra is getting open up, the activation, lot of activation, lot of downloads are having here in this crown chakra, in this portal. So maybe you can receive lot of vibrations on the crown chakra. Okay, so specifically you have to spend some time in nature, take a walk in nature here, and that will help you out in ground yourself. Okay, so ground yourself here. Maybe you can see lot of rainbows these days, that can also be a possibility. Then there is movement here, so you can do some yoga, stretching exercises here to move your body. Okay, then there is sing and there is sound healing. Sound healing is helpful for you. You can see 0330 is the recording reading time, so this is very important message. Sound healing will help you out in your healing, and there are a lot of videos which are available on the YouTube which will help you out in doing your sound healing here. So sound healing is important for you. Then there is sing here, so do the singing. Singing will help you out here, so that is the message I'm receiving here. Then there is drink tea. Okay, so let me read it out, this message from the guidebook. So you can have this drink tea. Okay, so this says that the preservation, preparation, presentation and drinking of tea is an ancient ceremony, one that has a lot to teach us about the reverence and care we can show our guests and ourselves in simple moments. You can create your own personal ritual with any drink, whether it's tea, a smoothie, a coffee, a soda, with the right intention and setting. By being incredibly present in the now, feeling sincere gratitude for the drink you are consuming and savoring the flavors and sensations fully, you can evaluate a simple sip in a mindful awakened moment in your day. So this will help you out in different way. You can use the mantra also. I am inspired by the wisdom of plants and the beauty of ceremony. So drink tea here, and you have to spend some time with animals. If you are having animals at your home or the outside your home, so you can spend some time here. I can see spider, butterfly, then there is cat, squirrel, fox, dog, deer, owl, birds. So you can spend some time with animals here. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages from the secret forest. What are the messages for the twin flames? Please give me the messages. What are the messages for the twin flames for this 1111 portal? What this 1111 is bringing here? What are the messages for the twin flames for the 1111? Wow. What are the messages for the 1111 portal? Please give me the messages. There's a lot of messages. No. Please give me the messages. They come out again. Okay. Okay, fine. So you have to trust the universe that everything is happening according to the divine plan. Trust here. Trust the guidance which you are receiving here from the universe, and you have to, there is reflecting pool stillness. So stillness will help you out to gain the answers, to receive the answers and the intuitions and downloads which you are receiving here. There is rainbow, waterfall, miracles. Lot of miracles is going to happen in your life, twin flames. I told you, maybe you can see rainbows here. Rainbows is significant here. So if you are watching lot of rainbows, this is the sign that there is lot of miracles which are coming up for you, and this portal is bringing lot of rainbows, lot of miracles for you here. Then there is strength. Keep your strength, ancient oak spirit. So lot of strength is here. You have to keep your strength with you. There is owl spirit, wisdom. So maybe you can see owl spirit or owl around yourself. So lot of wisdom is coming up for you, and use your wisdom, use your intuitions here. There is enlightenment, forest temple. So see lot of enlightenment is coming up for you in this portal. Then there is spirit guardian of spring. There is activation which is happening up for you. Let me read it out this from the book. So do not hesitate. This is the time. The time is now. Okay, there is a new cycle which is being begun here. Okay, a new cycle has begun, and take action. It's okay if you're hesitant or even afraid. Face the fear and do it anyway. There are times to pull back and think carefully before every action, but this is not one of those times. A new beginning is waiting up for you. So get ready. Big changes are there in your life. You just need to take a step back, take a step in a forward direction, and that means you have to take a leap of faith. Be a fool, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. That means, okay, so take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction here. Then there is white rose fairy, the love. So love energy is coming up for you, twin flames. Lot of love energy is is coming in your life, I can say that here. Okay, and this is 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 here again. So this 1111 portal is bringing lot of love energy. Okay, wild rose fairy is infusing. That's the word I was receiving. Infusing love in your life. Okay, then there is willow spirit, flexibility. So be more flexible here. Okay, so let's see more messages from whispers of Lord Ganesha. Please give me one message for the twin flames. Please give me the messages for the twin flames for the 1111 portal. What is the message you want me to deliver? Okay, so there is achievement, perseverance, inner knowing and insight. Okay, the message is perseverance, achievement, and there is inner knowing and insight. See, your third eye is getting activated. Definitely there's third eye, crown chakra, which is getting activated. You will see the insights, the intuitions. So you are receiving the guidance, inner knowing. That's the hermit mode basically. So you have to do the hermit mode here. Okay, tune into yourself by going within yourself right now. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here for you. Let me see what is the message you are going to receive from the animal spirits. Please give me the message. Grasshopper spirit is here. Take a leap of faith. That's the same message here. Grasshopper spirit is here. Take a leap of faith. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add some message from the whispers of love. Please give me the message for the twin flames. What are the messages for the twin flames? What this energy is bringing for twin flames? What is the message you want me to deliver? The heart of the matter here. Okay, this says there is more going on than meets the eyes. So behind the scenes, the universe, the angels, the divine, everyone is working here for you. Okay, so there is more going on than meeting the eyes here. You are not alone. 11:44 is the recording reading time. There is lot which is happening beside, even you do not know that. Okay, so let's see more messages. Thank you for giving the messages from the Chinese fortune reading cards. For the twin flames, what this energy is bringing, do not lose your hope. Okay, some of you twin flames, you are going to receive the proposal. See, again wisdom is here. You going to receive the proposal from your twin flames. Okay, reunions. Bottom of the deck I'm having reunions. There is sun here. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck, as you all know. New happy beginnings in your love life, in your career. New happy beginnings. The sun is coming here. 1 2 3 4 is the recording reading time. You're becoming more beautiful because now you are connecting inside your soul here. So you will feel the paradise, the heaven here on the planet Earth here. There is hope and there is wisdom. So do not lose your hope. Again, the hope message is here. Do not lose your hope. Keep your hope with you and use your wisdom. You are having lot of wisdom to share. So you have to use your wisdom. The owl spirit was there. Again, the wisdom is here. So use your wisdom, twin flames. You have to use your wisdom. Okay. Then there is wish. So some kind of wish fulfillment is going to come true. This portal is bringing your wish fulfillment. Okay. Then there is proposal and reunions. Many of you twin flames, you are going to receive the reunions, the proposals. 1331 is the recording reading time. Okay, so you're going to receive the proposal, the marriage proposal or the engagement proposal or the commitment from your twin flames. Lot of reunions are going to happen for you in this. And 1111 is also important for twin flames because this is the reunion. Many of you, you're going to receive the reunion here. Okay, in this portals. Okay, this portal brings a lot of reunions for the twin flames also. So let's see more messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages from the gateway of oracle. What is the message you want me to deliver? Mending bridges, receiving radiance. My light illuminates the world, reliving radiance. And there is mending bridges. I heal rifts. I am the mender. So you just crossing the bridge and you're becoming more beautiful than before. That's why the message was there, that now you are connecting with your inner self. That's why you're becoming more beautiful. You're feeling beautiful inside and outside, and that's beautiful. When you feel inside that yes, you are the beautiful soul, then that is going to manifest and reflect in your life too. So thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the Witch's Wisdom. There's a lot of message, no. Please give me the messages for the twin flames. Please give me the messages. Banishment hex is here. Bottom of the deck I'm having death card. There is wish fulfillment again. So this is the death and rebirth transformation energy is here. Something is ending in your life so that some new can come, new beginnings can come, some new things can come here, twin flames. So something is ending, that's the death and rebirth is here. So transformation is coming here, and there is some kind of wish fulfillment which is going to come true here for in this portal. Okay, your wish fulfillment is going to come. Maybe this can be your emotional fulfillment here, because here I'm having the cup. Okay, so this is your emotional fulfillment which is going to come here. Okay, then there is banishment hex. So you have to protect your energy, because right now there are negative energies around yourself. Okay, so let me read it out from the book also, but this card says that you have to protect your energies, because right now you are surrounded with negative energies around yourself. Someone is not who you think they are. Okay, your energy is being drained by another negative behavior. Beware of jealousy. Choose friends wisely. Look deeper into an offer or situation. Something is too good to be true. This is time to walk away from that negative energies. Okay, so this time you have to see carefully and keep watch for enemies who lurk in the shadows. Okay, you have to trust your instinct and go for the kill. Hex urges you to release, get rid of, and banish anything that prevents you from walking your true path. You are protected when you heed this omen. Ignore it at your peril. So 1717 is the recording reading time. This is important to know that. Okay, just be aware, but you are protected here too. So let's see more messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see messages from the Energy Oracle deck. Please give me the messages for the twin flames. What are the messages for the twin flames for this reading? What are the messages for the twin flames? Wow, Cornucopia. Third chakra is coming again. Definitely your third chakra is getting activated here. Okay. Here there was third chakra here. So third chakra and your sixth chakra is getting activated. That means your solar plexus chakra, Archangel Chamuel is here. Okay, so that is going to activate, and can you see here I'm having 10 and 11 here. So you can see lot of number synchronicities of 10 11 or 10 10 or 11 11. Cornucopia is abundance of everything. This is the most fortunate card, okay, in this deck basically. So let's see more messages. Wow, Goddess of the Moon. This is follow your intuition. Right now your intuition is okay guiding you here, so you have to follow your intuition. Goddess of the Moon is with you. She is with you and she is helping you out in the intuitions here, and you are not alone. The community is working with you. Again 7 7. You may be feeling all tied up, restricted, but you have to walk away anything which is not serving your highest good. And even your first chakra, root chakra, which is Archangel Michael, is helping you out, and he is helping you out in activating this chakra. Okay, because Archangel Michael is with you. There is bottom of the deck I'm having World, so you're closing out the cycle here. Someone is around you who is not happy with you. They are feeling jealous, and this message is again here for the twin flames. This energy is around you, Hex, so you have to be aware of this energy here. Okay, someone is around you who is not happy at all. They're feeling jealous, so just be aware here. Again here I'm having 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, the world card, and this is 11. So you're ending the old cycles, you're completing the cycles here, and you are starting a new cycle, and new cycle is cornucopia. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having men holding a heart. So maybe this is your twin flame. They are coming here for offering you the heart, their heart basically. Right now you can also manifest anything, and that will going to come true here. So bottom of the deck I'm having storm warning, and there is adjacent possibilities. So which is the meaning here, that there can be a tower moment in your life, but maybe you have to make some kind of adjustments in your life. But do not worry at all, because tower is always good. Tower comes when you in your life when you have to make the necessary changes in your life, but you are not doing that. Then tower has to come, then divine has to come in and interrupt your life, intervene in your life, so that you can make that necessary changes in your life. So let's see more messages from your guides. Thank you for giving the messages. What are the messages from your guides? Please give me the messages for the twin flames. You need to set up the intentions here. Know your truth and kindness counts. Okay, this is beautiful message, because in 1111 portal, whatever intentions, whatever manifestations you will do today, that intentions and manifestations are going to manifest in your life very easily, very quickly, I can say that. So you need to set up intentions in this portal. You have to live your bliss. Know your truth and kindness counts. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Now let me add one message from the Lovers Oracle. Okay, please give me one message for the twin flames. This is beautiful picture. Okay, the message is embrace. Through each other you will find the missing pieces. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Now let me add messages from Beyond Limura. What is the message you want me to deliver for twin flames? What are the messages you want me to deliver for twin flames? One message for twin flames for this reading. Please give me one message. Unique gifts. Bottom of the deck I'm having water here. Number 55. 55. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 555. Only 55. That can also be a possibility here. So you are having lot of superpowers here. You are having a sense of soul purpose, the meaning behind you here on the planet Earth. Okay, so you have to explore your interest here. Okay, as unique undiscovered skills. So already some of you already know that what is your gifts, what is your soul purpose here on this planet Earth. But still some of you twin flames, you do not even know that what is your soul purpose, what are your unique gifts. You have to explore your unique gifts, because each twin flames here in the twin flame journey, they are having unique gifts. Okay, they are having soul purpose, so you have to find out that. So that's the message I'm receiving here. And here I can see the activation of your solar plexus and the sacral chakra here. So that will also help you out in finding your soul purpose. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add messages from the angels and ancestors. Yeah, second message was water, the overflow here. Let me read it out, this one also. Lot of abundance is coming here for you. Okay, the paradigm of no scarcity, allowing financial and energetic gifts to flow through and create more. So basically you are not, right now you are going with the flow, and that's beautiful, because you are going with the flow. You're following your soul, you're following your heart, and this is beautiful because you are allowing things to happen with the flow. Okay, you're not controlling the situations. You are in the in the form of receptivity. You are open to receive. Okay, and the path of least resistance, and when you are in the path of least resistance, you allow the universe, the divine, to to keep the flow of beautiful things in your life. Okay, you are even also, you can also help, and it will also help you out in clearing away the emotions, the energies, the people who do not serve your highest good. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Now let's see messages from the angels and ancestors. Please give me the messages for twin flames. Wow, there is fire guardian. Ignite your passion, work on your passions here, twin flames. You need to work on your passions here, and this portal is activating the fire element inside of you, so you have to work on your passions here. There is high priestess, harness mystic power, use your intuitions. Right now your intuition is guiding you here. Then there is medicine mother, honor your inner knowing. So you are having a lot of inner knowing here. So this is the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. And let me add more message. Divine timing. There is some type of divine timing. Okay, there are 3 messages which I received. I was pulling out this card. Okay, there is a divine timing which is at play, so things are going to happen according to this divine timing. And now this 1111 portal, the divine timing is coming up for you. Right now you have to cut the codes from the people who are still connected to your energetic codes. So you need to cut the negative codes around yourself, negative energetic codes here. Then there is a guardian angel who is supporting you. You are not alone. There is a guardian angel who is with you. So this is the message I am receiving. Thank you. Let me add one message from the yogic path. What is the message you want me to deliver for the twin flames? Please give me the message. Sita. Bottom of the deck I'm having Ananta. This is the heart chakra activation which is happening for you. So now your heart chakra is getting activated here. And the second message for you is Goddess Sita. Okay, so let me read it out for you. Sita was the goddess of devotion and loyalty. You have devoted your entire self to a person or a project, and your loyalty cannot be questioned. Even if the face of harsh treatment, you have endured in the name of love. Sita remained loyal to her husband Ram despite being told he was dead, and when another king wanted to marry her. When her husband returned, he did not believe her loyalty. She said, "If I am telling the truth, I will jump into fire and will not be burned." She stepped into the fire untouched, proving that she was indeed loyal. Sita understands how much you truly care and sacrifices you have made. You have displayed selfless devotion, which is one of the most holy things we can do. In serving those who you love, you serve the divine. So this is very powerful message here, twin flames, that you have basically devoted your entire self to a person or a project, because she is the goddess of devotion and loyalty, and she is here. So that means very beautiful message and very powerful message too. So thank you for giving the messages. Let me add some messages from the oracle here. Scared Indian Tarot. What is the message you want me to? Definitely there is a tower moment. Wow, there is a tower moment which is going to happen in your life. This is a divine intervention, and you are rising as an empress. Okay, so this is the divine feminine energy here. So this can be anyone. Empress can be anyone. Divine feminine are rising as an empress. Let me see more here. This is beautiful. Lovers and the Judgment. Wow. Bottom of the deck I'm having World. You are completing the cycle with your twin flame. You are rising as an empress. Empress is someone who can give birth to anything. Can you see? She is very nurturing, caring. You are coming in your element, basically divine feminines. There is some kind of judgment which is happening in your life. Either you are going to take this judgment or the divine is going to take this judgment. And this is related to your twin flame, the lovers. Here you're closing out the cycle with your twin. Let me see more message. Any other message? Maybe right now you can feel like an hangman. Okay, but do not worry at all. You have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. The Fool energy is here. Magician. There is Devil and there is Hermit. So whatever, bottom of the deck I'm having High Priestess. Use your intuition. Anything which is toxic, which is not serving your highest good, needs to go. But for that you have to do the soul searching, the inner searching, the inner soul searching, the Hermit mode. Right now you are in your element of Magician, because Empress is someone who can manifest anything. Okay, so you are in your element here. So, and this energy, this 1111 portal is also a portal where you can manifest anything here. Okay, you can manifest anything, and that is going to manifest very easily. So let me see more messages from the tarot for the twin flames. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. What are the messages for the twin flames? Knight of Wands. Please give me the messages for the twin flames. Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Three of Cups. What are the messages for the twin flames? Wow, 10 of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. Lot of pentacle energy I can see here. So lot of abundance of everything is coming. Bottom of the deck I'm having the Sun. Okay, so there is someone who is coming towards you. The Knight of Pentacle is a slow moving. Yeah, so the card which fallen out was Two of Swords. So bottom of the deck I'm having Seven of Cups. So either there are two energies around yourself, because here I can see King of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands. So there are two energy. One can be your karmic relationship here, because Knight of Wands is a player kind of energy. This is someone who is an in and out energy. Okay, so they are coming towards you here. And one is your twin flame. There is someone here with the King of Pentacles, or this person can be someone who is very, see, I just cut it out, and there is Devil and the Knight of Swords. So this is not a good energy, and because of this energy you can be in a thought process where you cannot take a decision. But use your intuitions, twin flames. Okay, use your intuitions. Yeah, see, Tower again. The Tower is here. Right now you are resting and you are rejuvenating yourself. Tower is coming here. So this is the divine intervention which is happening here. I told you, when we have to make necessary changes in our life, and when we do not do that, then divine has to intervene in our situations. They make the situations so that we can do the necessary steps, we can do that decisions, we can make that decisions in our life. So definitely this is a divine intervention which is happening in your life here. Right now you have to keep your patience, but do not worry, because this is the Sun. Happy new beginnings are going to come here. Any other message for twin flames? Any other message for the twin flames? Again, bottom of the deck, Devil energy is here. Okay. Do not feel sad, remorse, guilt on the fallen cups. Five of Cups energy is here, and there is Queen of Wands. So maybe there is a third party situation which is going on either in the divine masculine's life or the divine feminine's life. But something is happening here. But you are going to get new hopes, new success. There are Two of Cups, the Star, and the Six of Wands energy. Okay, so this is beautiful energy. Okay, this is new hopes, new desires which are coming here. You're going to get success in overcoming this toxicity here, because can you see here, 9 of swords, 10 of swords, the devil. This is very harmful energy. Because of this energy, you are juggling between two situations. And see, they are coming at a very high speed. Knight of swords is also a faster speed here. There is page of swords and the king of swords. So this king of swords is someone who knows the truth. So divine feminines or the divine masculines, whoever this watching this video, so you already know the truth that who is your divine masculine or who is your divine feminine. Okay, who is your twin. Okay, you just need to make a decision here, and this is a divine intervention. Any other message? Yeah, see again, Knight of Wands. There is someone who is coming in your life, twin flames. Either this is a player kind of energy. With this person there is a lot of fighting, drama, competition here, conflicts with this person. This is not a stable energy. Knight of Wands cannot stay at a one place. Okay, this Knight of Wands is a red flag basically card. So yeah, maybe they will come towards you with an offer, or your twin flame is going to give you an offer here. Okay, a marriage offer, because 11 4 of Wands is a 11 card too. So yeah, that was the reading here from your tarot card too. Let me see anything else I want to add. No, that's it. So this was your reading for the 11 portal. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to that channel, and you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.